Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can share your screen during a video call on WhatsApp, so let's get right into it. Alright, so in the first step, launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone, just like that. After that, select the contact from your friend list you would like to start the video call with, and here in that chat window, simply tap on that video camera icon here at the top. And after that, WhatsApp will ask you whether you would like to start a video call. So confirm that by tapping on call here. Wait for your contact to accept the call invitation. So let me do that really quickly on my second smartphone, just like that. So what you want to do during the video call is tap on your display once, and after that tap on these three dots in the bottom left corner. And here in the following menu, select share screen. And after that, WhatsApp will ask you for permission to capture everything that is displayed on your screen. So if you're okay with that and would like to share your screen with your video call partner, simply tap on start now here. And now you can do whatever you like on your phone. For example, play mobile games, surf the internet, and at the same time share your screen with your video call partner or interlocutor and stay connected with him or her through your video call. If you'd like to stop sharing your display or screen, simply tap on stop sharing here. And that's all to it, guys. So as you can see, it is super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.